Hello students, we have read the long term forces. So today we will start learning आज हम पढ़ेंगे working of the mountain building forces. How mountains are formed. Mountain कैसे बनते हैं. The process of mountain building is folding. How it is formed? By the folding process. By the folding. So the bending of horizontal layers due to horizontal compression is called folding. It may be of the nature of tilting, wrapping, and the twisting. So the upfold are called syncline and the downfold are called antisyncline. So here the upfold are known as the syncline. जैसे कि you can see the diagram. It is a earth crust. It is a earth crust. And when the compression is here from both the side, this side and this side, when the compression is forcing like this, so the pressure is uplifting the land masses from one to another. As you are seeing here, three folded are there. So three folds means antisyncline, means the upper section of the mountain is known as the antisyncline, and the valleys which are the bending, which are inside that is called the syncline. So this is known as the folding process. Types of folding. Now the best example are Alps mountain, Alps in Europe, the Atlas in Africa, the Himalayas, you have heard the name of Himalayas, which is situated in Nepal, and the Hindu Kush, and the Rockies of North America, the Andes of South America are the best example of the folding mountains. Now the faulting. There are two parts. The folding से mountains बनते हैं, the mountains are formed. Now the faulting. Sometimes compression or the tensional force in the horizontal strata, मतलब अर्थ के strata में, ये this is the strata, cause the break, टूटना or the depression. Such movements are called fault. When you can see the diagram here, when the rock strata, it fault, that is the break from the middle, and then there is a crack. The crack appears, then one piece of the land is uplifted maybe, or it is shifted down. So this is known as a faulting because there is a fault in the earth crust. So faulting is a fracture. You can see just like a fracture, the land has broken from the middle in the rock, or cracks. This is called the cracks also, like the line of fault. In the earth, rocks are created because of different movements of tectonic plates. Means when the plates, just now before this video, I have already told that plates means the continental plates, like the American plate, North American, South American plate, Australian plate. So the crust, different continents crust are there, oceanic crust are there. So these are the plates. There are many plates like Pacific plate, Atlantic plate, North America plate, So these are the plates. It is due to the tectonic plate. This movement, this fault, this fracture, these cracks are formed in the earth crust. Formation, next topic is formation of block mountains and the rift valley. कैसे ब्लॉक माउंटेन्स बनता है और रिफ्ट वैली बनती है. हाउ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द ब्लॉक माउंटेन एंड द रिफ्ट वैली फॉर्म्ड, कैसे बनता है. सो फॉल्टिंग गिव्स राइज टू वेल मार्क्ड रिलीफ फीचर्स. फॉल्टिंग से हमें ब्लॉक माउंटेन मिलता है और क्या मिलता है, हमें रिफ्ट वैली मिलती है. सो ब्लॉक माउंटेन्स इवॉल्व कैसे बनता है, ड्यू टू द लेट डाउन ऑफ द लैंड बिटवीन द टू फॉल्ट. दो फॉल्ट के बीच, टू फॉल्ट के between two fault, that is the mountain, the one rock mass is slided down. It is slided down. Whole mass is slided down. It is gone into the earth, within the earth, and two blocks are remaining on the earth surface. ये दोनों माउंटेन के पार्ट जो है वो ऊपर ही रह जाते हैं और बीच की जो वैली है वो नीचे ज़मीन के नीचे धंस जाती है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द रिफ्ट वैली एंड द हॉर्स, ऊपर वाला पार्ट को हॉर्स बोलते हैं और ब्लॉक माउंटेन. सो हियर this caused a long and the narrow depression. क्या बन जाता है, narrow depression, taking the shape of a valley called rift valley. कैसे, ये दो ब्लॉक के नीचे जब बीच का लैंड मास नीचे सरक जाता है टूट के, जब वो नीचे की तरफ धंस जाता है तो ये पार्ट जो है ये वैली बन जाती है. और दिस इज द माउंटेन, दो ब्लॉक, बिकॉज इट्स पीक्स आर फ्लैट, एकदम फ्लैट है, इसलिए इसको ब्लॉक माउंटेन, जस्ट लाइक अ ब्लॉक, तो इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं, इट इज़ नोन एज अ ब्लॉक माउंटेन. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो, रिफ्ट वैली इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ ग्रैबन. एग्जाम्पल, राइन वैलीज और द नाइल वैली in Egypt, the Dead Sea Basin and the Red Sea are the great rift valleys in the world. Then here, both the side of this rift valley, both the side of this rift valley are elevated, ऊपर उठ जाना, elevated horizontally, elevated ऊपर की तरफ horizontally, it is the formation is done. They are divided into rectangle block. ये कैसे होता है, they are rectangular blocks में form होता है. You can see the rectangular. ठीक है. They form the block mountain. This is called the, both side is called the block mountain or the horse. So today we will study till here. Next we will study in the next video. So students, next video we will study short term force or the casual force. In that we will study volcanoes, its types, its advantages and the disadvantages, and the earthquake also, how earthquake take place, occur, and the advantages of earthquake and the disadvantages of earthquake. And all the best student, I hope you will understand what I am teaching. And the first video I have sent the question answers. Write it in your fair copy, the interleaf copy, and the tomorrow means next video you see the first chapter I have explained, learn it, and the question answer of the first chapter I have already sent. Second chapter I will send it on Saturday. So thank you student, stay safe, stay healthy and keep learning.